Students, now today I will explain question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 7.4 chapter fractions. Now in question number 5 we have to fill appropriate sign, and these are the signs that we have to put, either less than sign, greater than sign or equals to sign. Fine. So we have already discussed this type of sums in our previous video also. So it is very similar to those sums. So when you're comparing the two fractions, okay, you first see that whether the denominators are same or not. Okay, if not, then what did I say? You will just cross multiply it and you will decide that which fraction is greater. Okay, so what we have to do now? 5 ones are 5. So this side will have 5. Just a minute. This side. So when we multiply 5 into 1, we have 5, and 2 ones is what? 2, isn't it? So now 5 is greater than 2, so that means 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. So we will put greater than signs. Okay, the same thing we'll do with this also. When the denominators are not same, so multiply 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, isn't it? So 9 is less than 10, so we'll put less than sign, students. Very easy. Now 5 3s is what? 15. 5 6 is what? 30, isn't it? So 15 is less than 30, so we'll put less than sign. Okay, now 8 ones are 8, 4 2s are 8. So both the side we are having the same number, so that means they are equals to. Now this things, 8 3s are 24, 7 4s are 28. So 24 is greater than 28, as 24 is less than 28, so we'll put less than 7. Okay, students, now let's move on to sum number 6. In question number 6, we have to convert all the required fraction into the simplest form. Fine. So what is the simplest form? This also we have discussed in my previous video, that you have to convert the fraction in such a form that the numerator and the denominator should have only one as a common factor. Fine. So that means we have to reduce the numerator and the denominator. So 2 by 16 can be reduced by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So answer is 1 upon 6. Okay. Similarly, we'll do this also. These two numbers can be reduced by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 50. So the answer is 1 upon 5. Fine. Now 8 by 50. Let's start with 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 25s. So we cannot reduce more, so the answer is 4 by 25. Now this we can reduce with 2. 2 8s are, 2 50s are, 2 4s are, 2 25s are. So your required answer is 4 by 25. Now let's do number E. Number E, just reduce the zeros. You see, you will get the answer as 1 upon 6. Now this we can reduce with 5. 5 3s are, 5 15s are. Again we can reduce this to number with 3. 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So answer is 1 upon 5. Okay. Now we have to reduce 12 by 60. So let's start with 2. 2 6s are, 2 30s are. Now 6 and 30 can be reduced by 6 only. 6 1s are, 6 5s are. So your answer is 1 upon 5. Okay, now do this also. 2 8s are, 2 48s are, 2 4s are, 2 24s are, 4 1s are, 4 6s are. So your answer is 1 upon 6. Okay, we have some more sums left, that is I, J, K, L. We'll do that also. So these are the rest of the sums, I, J, K, L. Okay, students, now let's reduce this. So this can be reduced by 3. 3 4s are, 3 25s. So your answer is 4 by 25. Now we have to also reduce this. 2 6s are, 2 36s are, 6 1s are, 6 6 are. Okay, so your answer is 1 upon 6. Now let's reduce this also. 3 1s are, 3 6. So your answer is 1 upon 6. Okay, now this we cannot reduce. Okay, this is already in the simplest form, so your answer is 4 by 25. Now what is the final thing that we have to do with this sum? As we have observed that after reducing, we got three types of fraction. Either we were getting 1 by 6, or we were getting 1 by 5, or we were getting what? 4 by 25, isn't it? This will be 25 students. So now what we have to do? We have to write this. That is, there are three groups of equivalent fractions. We have to write this at last. Sorry. There are three groups of equivalent fraction. Okay, and what are those? 1 by 6, 1 by 5, or 4 by 25, isn't it? So now we have to write which are the numbers, in which of the numbers we got 1 by 16, 1 by 6, in which of the number we got 1 by 5, and in which of the numbers we got 4 by 25, 4 by 25. Okay, so 1 by 6 we got for AEH, and there were two more, J and K. See, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, J and K also. And 1 by 5 we got for which numbers? B, F, G. That is B, F and G. And 4 by 25 we got for C, D, I, L. C, D, I, and L. Okay, so this is how you'll conclude question number 6. I hope all of you have understood. Now let's move on to sum number 7. Now in question number 7, there are 4 questions are there, and in each case you have to say whether those the fractions which are given, they are equivalent or not, they are equal or not. Okay, so I will show you only sum number A and C, and the rest of B and D the same. You can practice at home. Okay, now how exactly we'll come to know that the two fractions which are given, they are equal or they are not equal? For that, the first thing that you will do is you will find the LCM. LCM of denominators, that is 9 and 5. Okay, that means we have to convert the required fraction into the like fraction. What is the like fraction, students? The like fractions, in which like fractions are those fractions which share the same denominators, isn't it? So the LCM of 9 and 5 is what? 45. Fine. Now we'll write the first fraction, 5 by 9. Okay, now what is the rule? That we have to divide this LCM with the denominator. That is 45 divided by 9 is what? 5. We have to multiply this answer, that is 5, with both the numerator and the denominator. That is 25 by 45. Okay, now take the second fraction. We'll do the same thing. That is, again you divide the LCM with the denominator. So 45 divided by 5 is what? 9. So 9 would be multiplied with the numerator as well as the denominator. So that will be 36 and 45. Okay. Now, do you see these two fractions are equal? No, they are not equal, but they are like fractions. Why like fraction? Because they are sharing the same denominators now. But they are not equal as because the numerator and the numerator are not equal. Fine. So we will write that. So 25 by 45 is not equals to 36 by 45, isn't it? So we can write hence these two are also not equal, because we are getting this answer from this two fraction only. So 5 by 9 is not equals to 4 by 5. Okay, same thing we'll do with question number C also. And BD, all you have to do is the same. So let's find out the LCM now. LCM of 5 and 20. 5 and 20 LCM is 20 only, I guess. Okay, 5 and yes, 20 only. So LCM is 20. Okay, now we'll write the first fraction. Now divide this LCM with the denominator. So you will get the answer as 4. So multiply 4 with both the numerator and the denominator. You get the answer as what? 16 by 20. Now take the second fraction. Do the same thing. Divide 20 with 20. What is the answer? 1. So multiply 1 with both the numerator and the denominator. Now this time you see that both the fractions are equal as because they share the same numerator and the same denominator, isn't it? So we'll write 16 by 20 is equals to 16 by 20. Hence 4 by 5 is equals to 16 by 20. Okay, so that's it for today. God bless you. Take care and stay blessed.